It's even. If you do get the seal in your eye, it does burn a little bit. Be careful. Hi guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, we come through trying to do something a little different. You feel me? It's 2022. I told y'all I was gonna be pushing out this content, so baby, here we go. So today we are coming through to do a lash tutorial. Y'all, I have been wanting individual lashes, but I can't even lie, I'm a little bit scared as much money as they cost, and the fact that they don't just come off kind of scares me a little bit. But I've been wanting to have like that lash extension look for days like these where I have nothing to do. I literally have my son's basketball game, but you know, I kind of tinted my brows, you know, and I'm just thinking like if I just add a few lashes, then your girl would look kind of, you know, put together. You know what I mean? So I went on Amazon and I ordered this false mascara. If y'all been living up under a rock, you hadn't seen this, but this has been all over TikTok. Yeah, all over TikTok. False mascara is supposed to be like, it's a double-ended bond and seal. So it's supposed to be able to allow you to take your individual lashes, like your clusters, or you could do like these strips, and once you apply it to your eyelash, like you're supposed to be able to put it up under your eye, so therefore it looks more like a lash extension versus a strip lash that's laying on top of your eye. So we're about to try the height. We about to see if this works, because baby, I don't know. They saying like it could last up to, I seen some people saying it could last up to 10 days, but that was like a separate thing that you actually use. So I didn't purchase that. I just did this for right now, just to kind of see if it's gonna work. So here we go. First off, in order to do this, you need some lashes, right? So I have been thinking about this whole lash extension thing for a while. So I have several lashes here that I have bought thinking that I was gonna do it. I bought these Kiss, I Envy, and these are all in the short double volume, but these were the not free, but they were like the tiny ones that you would have to like dip in the glue. So I had bought these at the beauty supply store for $9.99. I also bought some more Kiss ones, but these were long because I was thinking, you know, I was going to kind of alternate, or you know, do the long on the outside and the short on the inside to kind of give me like that wispy look, because I do like wispy lashes. I also bought some in medium as well, because I was gonna go from short to long, whatever, Tasha. And then I was in Walmart and I seen these, and these are also by Kiss. These are the Lash Couture extension kit, but these kind of have like, I don't know if you can kind of tell, but these have like the longer band on them. So therefore, you see the flat band technology. So I think these will work better. They come in short and medium, and they do come with the glue at the bottom, but your girl, I don't want to use the glue. I want to try the false mascara stuff. So I am barefaced, and let's zoom in here because we just gonna see what happens, right? So I'm barefaced, my face is clean. I don't really think I have anything on my lashes, but just to be sure, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Neutrogena like toner. This kind of has like a little bit of alcohol in it, a little bit, in case some of my serums or anything got on my eyelashes. And now I'm just wiping my eyelashes off, basically. Like, nothing too serious. Don't be pushing the stuff in your eye now saying Tasha said do this, because it's not like that. Use toner, not alcohol, because alcohol, I'm pretty sure, will burn your eyes. Because I really want these to last. I have really high hopes for these. I didn't really look up and see if there was any YouTube videos on any of this, just because I don't know. I just figured everybody else made it look easy. They just swipe the bonder on there, and then you put the lash, and then you put the seal. So can't be that hard, right? We're gonna start with the bond. I do know I'm gonna do one eye at a time just to make sure. Also, it would probably be very handy to have a mirror. I'm wiping mine off so that you're able to kind of like look down, so you're able to place it under your lash properly. So we'll see how easy this is, because everybody else made it look easy. So we're on the bond side, y'all. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. It kind of has like a hook in it. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Maybe. We're gonna put some of this on. Hold on, maybe we should like, let's go ahead and open the pack first. Open the pack of lashes, so like we don't get the bond on and then not be ready to apply. Just the little kiss tweezers in here. We're gonna take this bond and just put it, they said just coat your lashes. And I'm really coating near the lash line, if anything, because I feel like that's where you want them to really stay. And it doesn't really have a smell to it or anything. I can see where I got some of the bond. Okay, I'm kind of getting used to it. So you just kind of, I'm pushing it up under that lash. It's not making my eye water. It's not very strong. So if you have sensitive eyes, you should be okay. But I'm just really making sure I'm coating it really well, because I don't want them coming off. All right, so these girls said they literally just put them on there and they just stuck. So take one cluster. Here we go. Like that. Okay, my lashes feel really sticky, so I'm gonna keep going. And I heard that you can like reuse these, and you want to put them as close together as you can. But this actually, on a scale from 1 to 10, how hard this is not too bad. I feel like you kind of gotta work a little bit fast, because I don't know how long it takes for it to dry, but I'm just stacking these over here, baby, and just, and these are all still medium because I'm on the outside parts. We're getting somewhere. Do these look crazy? And you don't feel them, because I thought you would feel them being up under your eye, but you really don't. I'm about to add another medium, but I guess I add another short. Still trying to keep them as close as I can. Just do that, and I'm just sticking my lashes to the... Oh, I poked my eye. Oh, don't start running. All right, so this is what my eye is starting to run, because I squeezed my eyelid. So this is what we're looking like, and I'm pushing them. I think I'm gonna wait for my eye to stop watering a little bit. But as far as application wise, it wasn't hard, and it does make a huge difference for sure. I'm excited to see how long these are going to last. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and we'll see what we think. All right, y'all, so we are back. I have finished the other eye. I feel like they're kind of even a little bit, not all the way. I should have, one thing that I wish I would have done was count how many I put on this eye so that I know for this eye. All right, so now that I have them all done and kind of pressed together, now I think you're just supposed to take the seal side now, which is clear, and this brush is just straight. So I'm guessing now we're supposed to take this and just place it underneath by the lash line, and I'm just kind of putting it there and tugging. I don't know if it makes the lashes hard or not, so I'm trying not to go into the lash. I'm just trying to like seal these bottom pieces, if that makes any sense. I feel like maybe if I got used to them, maybe I would do them a little bit fuller. I'm not sure, but this is great. This is great, especially if you're going somewhere where you just kind of want your lashes done and not necessarily wear makeup. This is legit. So I'm going back and buying more of these. One day we're gonna try the glue. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Y'all let me know down in the description box if y'all want me to try the glue and try it with these and the long ones, or even if you want me to try to do the little short stubby ones with the false mascara. I don't know how long it would last, but anyway. So yeah, girl, we got on some false lashes. Who are we? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Period.